Amazon package. I just needed some new tops and some leggings. These are the leggings. They come in a 3-pack. So we got red. These are size large. Gotta have pockets. We got some gray. And black, of course. I like the material. They're 90% polyester and 10% spandex, so perfect for working out, especially with the warmer weather coming out. I sweat a lot. Next we got, I think I just got like a plain t-shirt or something. It's very soft. Ooh yeah, this is a medium. I think it's a good size for me. Got this tank top. Very nice material, very stretchy, which I like. This is a large. That's all.